Good morning everyone and welcome to Uni's daily update on Bitcoin and the Alts. Hope that you're all doing very well today and well, nothing too crazy to update, to be honest with you, again today by the way. Well, we've got the retest. As I said yesterday, this was not really bullish, this first rise, so I will not be surprised to see something here. I'm gonna come back to the retest here. So here comes a retest really. And yeah, that's it really, same resistance and same support, so we're still going to check of course at what are the new levels and all of this. So first of all, we can go as always on the daily time frame. We've got a new daily a bit below here, but I mean it's already hit. Okay, we're going to check still really quick, but no, I'm not gonna add this. There we go. I'm not going to add this one here, and where's the charts here? Why is it? Okay, it's loading now. Well, very slow, but it's loading. Can you? Yes, normally it's good. All right, so I'm gonna check. Yesterday, by the way, I have done some TAs on so MX, and I can't remember the other ones. By the way, it was WEN and can't remember the last one. RLC, yeah. And by the way, Ace Key, the other one in the add request, it's already done. I already have the weight on this, as I have been doing this into a live stream, into a daily update. I have to find this, the which one really. But anyways, trading. So we did got a nice bit of a pullback from the first target here. Alright, there you go. So 65 to 30. So let's go with this. Perfect. Then we have what? No TPO, no DNPOC, no. Sorry, so this is done, and that's it really. Nothing more to add on this. So well, you know, as I said yesterday, this was not really bullish. Okay, so well, next you either have a retest, and if the retest is bad, you get a continuation really. Okay, just from a new low. So now it depends if we get some better data. By the way, if you want to learn your waves, don't forget you're at the right place. You have a brand new Elliott wave course on the website. You have to go here into the course section. Go into the course section, you'll find this nice Elliott wave course right here, and you have 4 lessons on Elliott wave for absolutely free. These 4 lessons already, I mean, there are 10 lessons at the end, but only 4 lessons represent really more than half of the full Elliott wave course. So I mean, the content you have inside is 4 lessons. So really, if you want to learn your waves, well, make sure to go and check this out. I mean, to go and learn this. And the thing is, with these 4 lessons, you have a contest to play. There is a ranking and everything. So the first one, and there is a $300 prize pool to win. So the first one in the ranking will win $150, the second one $100, and the third one $50. So make sure to go and take your chance really. Just make sure to learn the course good, take the quiz, play the contest, and you will be possibly in the first 3 winners of the contest really. Anyways, just don't forget, there is only 1 day remaining. It's gonna end tomorrow at night. So yeah, just wanted to remind you that this is here and available. So the thing is now, was it bullish, that bounce? Well, first of all, we have absorption there. You can see we have a low, 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 high, low. So this is pretty cool. Just gonna check on the 15 minutes there. There we go. So yeah, still, so I can come back on this. Well, you don't have some crazy bullish data, to be honest with you, from that bottom there. Oof. Let's go with 16. There we go. All right. And so here we have what's the amount of longs? Well, again, they're coming a bit late. I'm not going to lie, they're coming a little late. Yeah, they're coming a little late. I'm not going to lie. Just gonna close this. Well, best way to get another retest. So another one here next, because that was not the best of the best, to be honest with you. That was at night personally for me. But now what we can do really is, you know, so on the lower time frame, I'm gonna use this one here. So we can simply use this lower time frame range really, if we can say that. So you can go on the 1 minute and you can just bam, do this, or maybe the 5. Where's the top there? Yeah, this is perfect. So the 5 minute here, you can pull this from the top, okay, down to the bottom there. So either here, to be honest with you, it's not a real big problem. And from here, we simply have to trade this range until it breaks. So if we go above here, look for a short as we're coming around the top of the range. If there is nothing bearish here with the order flow, so to speak, there is no bearish data in here, we're going to look for the next target. I'm going to show you next what are the targets really above and what are the targets below. So this is a resistance where we have to look for a short, and if we come back down here, this is a support where we have to look for a long. As simple as that really. We long the support and we short the resistance. And into the target to recognize if we have or not to take the trade, well, simply read the order flow, and this will give you the answer if you have or not to take the trade. So this is what we can do here. You can set some alerts if you want, really. And so now if we break above, really, from here, if we push higher, the first target, so for day traders, is really the top of the range. Why? Because we have some swing £30 and we have a single print bottom just above. So as always, a single print is like a gap. So the bottom is going to act as, if you're below, as a resistance. If you get acceptance into the gap, or here the single print, you expect it to be filled, and so to go to the bottom of it. So to go to the top, sorry, if you come from below. So if you go to the top of it, you just feel it really. This will come around these bottoms there, so around around the price range low, really. Okay, and if we start to reclaim this, well, we can simply look next for this nice DNPOC plus the naked session path control. So all of this target really, plus a double top here for a possible SFPs, okay, or failed auction as always. If we start breaking this, we can look for the daily up to the weekly negative path control, so all the tops here to take, so between 71,400 up to 72,000. And if we break this, we can look for this nice top right here with the TPO up to the naked session path control in the all-time high really, so to speak, between 73,000 up to the all-time high really. If we take the all-time high as always, swing £30 failed auction. Below, okay, so we have this range to trade, of course. We can look for a swing £30 at bottom. We can just, we just need for the moment to trade this range till it breaks. As simple as that, really. That's it. So I'm not going to talk about the targets within the range. If we start breaking this down, of course, swing £30 failed auction. But the first target is really coming around 63,800 down to 62,800 really. And if we start breaking this, well, we can look for the daily level plus the naked session path control and this double SFPs here, so to speak, between 62,200 down to 61,300. If we start breaking this, I'm gonna go on the higher time frame level chart here to show you, but these are the targets we have planned below really. So first one here is simply a swing £30 or a failed auction of this bottom there. Break this, look for an SFP of this bottom here or a fair auction as always. We do not need to take the overall bottom here. We can take only the first one to keep still a bullish market structure. Don't forget this. If we do a very big swing through a pan, we can go down to the naked session powerful trend. If we start breaking this with no reaction, no reason too long here to get a reversal with the data on the order flow, we can simply look for a continuation into so around 53,000 really minimum, 50,000. This is a wall target really. This is a very important one. That will be more, okay? So because these two first ones here, this one and this one, will be simply more, you know, for a wave for retracement, so to speak, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a wave 5. If again we have to do a longer wave 4 and we have to make to not end up with a truncated triple wave in it, so to speak, we don't end up with something like this. A triple wave like this, okay? We do a triple wave and we stop before we do a truncated because we have a strong uptrend next coming in. So in any case, these two targets here, if we have to go down, will be for a wave 4 and then a wave 5. If now we start breaking these two targets, well, for a wave 4, I'm not going to let it start to be way too big, so we can simply switch from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to a larger wave 1, larger wave 2, and then a wave 3, 4, 5. Okay, of course, this is what we'll have to look for step by step. Is it possible to break through everything and crash from here? Yes, everything is possible. But before to look for a massive crash, well, we have to be aware of the possibility of going higher. And the only thing we have to do next is into this target, read the order flow to recognize if you have or not to take the long trade. As simple as that. So yeah, this is the next big support really, and this is the biggest support of this whole move down. And if we start breaking, so between 53,000 down to this bottom here for a swing through the pan or a fair auction as always, if we start breaking, so between 53,700 down to 50,000, we are simply going to see a massive drop into 43,000 minimum this time. So yeah, these are the levels really we'll have to be aware of below us. And that's it really. Now with the waves, you know, looking for a longer correction into the wave for the moment. As always, we can still make a bigger WXY, go for the highs, for example here. We can make we have a WXY here, we can make, I don't know, a bigger WXY, WXY, just take these highs and then come back down directly for the Y wave and come back down, take some few days to go for the Y wave. We can do many stuff here. We can either do the Y wave directly. We can do, for example, here an ABC flat into the Y wave, so A, B, and C. So we can do tons of different configurations. So that's why here, just understand the bigger idea really. It's just to be in a longer correction into the wave 4. Now we need these levels to trade all the different possibilities really, because we have too many at the moment. When you're in a WXY, a Y wave can finish with really every correction shape possible. So we can get, for example, here a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and then we finish the Y wave, and so the wave 4. We can make a WXY X and Z, because a Y wave can just not finish with a WXY. So for example, we cannot make a WXY only, we have to make a WXY X and Z. We can make an ABC flat, as I said before. We can make an ABC zigzag. We can make everything, every correction wave possible really, except the WXY only. So we have many configurations, but otherwise you can pull the targets if we have to retrace, I mean to go more down from here. If we have to be into the Y wave directly, you can simply pull the extension tool from the W root to the W bottom to the X wave top, and you just have to add the correction targets really. So MC extension, then you have the 100%, 123, and then you have the 1618 really. Two first target will be the two first target we have planned. Okay, no, this one will be a bit before. By the way, no, this will be the two first target we have planned. First one, second one, yeah. So this is yeah. That's it really. So this right here will be for the wave 4, and if we start breaking a lot below this, so the two next target really, that will be more for the wave 2 instead of the wave 4, as I said earlier. So yeah, nothing crazy to update. Okay, it's still the exact same plan as yesterday. We did not move it here. So the best thing we can do at the moment is simply to trade this range here. Okay, trade this range until it breaks. That's it. And once we break this, we just have to look for step by step the next target. Either for if we break up, we look for the higher targets we have planned. If we break down, we look for the lower targets we have planned. And when we come to the target, we just read the order flow and see if there is a trade or not to take based on the reaction. ACP, we've got so this very nice bounce from the target there. We've got a rise into this first resistance we have planned yesterday. So we've got a bit of a pullback on Bitcoin. I mean, nothing crazy to be honest with you, but it's still there. You can see a bit of a pullback. So we get the retest really now. If Bitcoin start to finally reverse and break, for example, here everything to the upside, well, it's gonna follow, of course. If Bitcoin is not going to do this, it's not going to do this, and it's just going to get a nice continuation lower. So yeah, very good bounce in any case, going to the first resistance really and get a nice rejection. So now waiting to see if Bitcoin is really going to reject from here, get a continuation down or not really. We will see. And otherwise, I guess, well, there is nothing to update, to be fair, because, well, we did not move it on Bitcoin, so normally nothing is moving, really. AXS, yeah, just a longer correction, but this was planned yesterday. BNB, nothing to update. Wait, it was like this, okay. Bonk, nothing to update. Feel, well, no, there is nothing, really. If you want to get all the alts, really, feel free to check out the yesterday's update. Just not gonna repeat myself, it's not useful. Everything is there, really. There is just my Pepe coin, yeah, nothing to update. Rune, oh yeah, so we finally took the lows on that one. So now it's a must hold, really, because if we start to break really below, well, it's not looking so good, to be honest with you. All right. It's a nice pullback we've got on this. Well, yeah, nothing to update really. So that's it really for me for today, not gonna lie. Just gonna check the news really quick. Do we have any news today? No, we don't. All right, so just don't forget there is the where is this? Here. Sorry, so there is the Elliott Wave contest that is still available only for, so it's gonna end tomorrow at night for me, so midnight really, UTC +1. So yeah, basically 1 day and 13 hours left. So if you did not took your chance yet, just go and check this out. And if you don't know what this is, there is simply a brand new Elliott Wave course on the website. So you can go and check this out into the course section here. You can go scroll down a bit, Elliott Wave, and you have 4 lessons already available on this Elliott Wave course. At the end you will get 10. At the end, so you will get 10, but the 4 first lessons you have here represent really in terms of content more than half of the full Elliott Wave course, because you have really all the basics, the impulsive, that is a big part, the Fibonacci extension, retracement. Then we just cover more correction, some raw stuff. Elliott Wave plus the RSIs are not some crazy content like this, but still some few patterns you have to know, right? So yeah, just these are the 4 lessons you have at the moment. So you will get a new one on Monday, and just you can find everything really into your account page. Yeah, there a calendar, so you can just scroll on the right, for example here. So yeah, we are now on Thursday of the first Elliott Wave contest. You will get now next so 3 more courses, a second contest. Okay, that will last again for a week. 3 more courses again, and no live charting, by the way, and then you will get a full again contest. This contest here you will get so I don't have the screenshot here, but bigger price pool. This is the first contest, you have so $300. The second one you will get 500, and the third one you will get 1,000. Now the thing is, these 4 lessons are absolutely free. The 6 more lessons will be for apprentice members only. So if you want to join and just want to continue really all of this, you just have to sign up as apprentice. If you don't care, you don't care, but just don't forget there is this absolutely free contest here where you can win a $300 prize pool. I mean, be part of the prize pool, because the first one will get $150, the second one $100, and the third one $50. So if you want to go and get a chance to win some few money, well, simply go on the website, create an account, learn the 4 lessons, and you will get next a quiz on these 4 lessons. There will be a ranking, and you will, if you answer what is good correctly in a good amount of time, well, you will be able to win one of the 3 places really. That's it. So yeah, just don't forget this, only 1 day and 13 hours left. So yeah, just go and take your chance really. It's free, there is no trap. And well, to continue next with me, you will have to sign up. Otherwise, if you join it for free, you don't have to do anything. No worries. Can you check by the way, just gonna pop out the chat. So good morning, good morning. Can you check Atlas Navy chart? What's this? So it's Navy. There you go. Well, it's this really, right? Or as always, ABC zigzag, so no wafer in 5. ABC crush. That's it. That's it. Just gonna double check everything, but normally it should be this. That should be done on a bit of a lower time frame here. So we have 1, 2, 3. Three, 4, 5. Then you have this nice 1, 2, 3. Look at this, interesting. Looks like a double XY here. W, X, and Y with a triangle. Yes, this is not something we see a lot very often, but you can see here W, X, Y, and here you have a running triangle more of this, because the B wave go past the A wave route. This is something you'll be able to learn, for example, in the 6 more courses about on either waves. So A, B, C, D, E, and there you go, you finish the Y and you raise. Pretty cool, right? Don't know what target, so we reach it there because, yeah. Well, first the MC extension, but all right. Anyways, that was just interesting. So I was on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is it really. So to add a wave for targets, well, you can learn it on the website again for absolutely free. But otherwise, you pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root. Right here, we are on a bigger time frame, and these days the odds absolutely love to go between the 38.2 and the 50%. So just be aware of this. You can even add the 618, to be honest with you, because these days we do some pretty big retracements. That's maybe a little bit too much. Perfect. But yeah, this will be really the buy zone of the wave 4, and if we start breaking this, well, this is not looking good, and this is more likely in that case an ABC zigzag. But otherwise, this right here is the wave, the wave 4 buy zone really, okay? So we really look for the wave 4 to be done, and then we look for an increase in price again for the wave 5. Now if this wave 4 is not holding, we break everything here, well, it means simply it was an ABC zigzag, and there is no wave 4 and 5, just a crash incoming next. But this only time can tell. And the wave 1 and the A wave have the same smaller wave, the B and the 2 have the same smaller waves, the 3 and the C have the same smaller wave, so it's impossible to say which one is going to play out. It depends, for example, of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin start to do a massive crash and come back, for example, to 15,000, well, everything is going to follow. In that case, we're going to take an ABC zigzag. But until Bitcoin, for example, is not bearish, there is no reason to look for something bearish like this. We can still look for the wave 4 until Bitcoin start to turn really bearish. Like really, really bearish. So yeah, this is the target of the wave 4. Now what we can do is simply pull the extension tool just to check really quick if we can find some few targets. Again, we need the wave 4 bottom to find the targets, but I just want to check if we're already in an extension or not. Well, no, we got a nice retracement from the 2618 here, you can see, on the wave 3. So now we can pull the third click of the extension tool on the wave 4. So on the wave 4 we are going to do, let's take the case that we go on the 50%, like exactly, we touch this exactly and then get a bounce. If I can place this good, well, do it like this, perfect. We have the wave 5 targets, and there you go, we have the 618, 100%, 1618 and the 2618. So if we go to the 50% exactly and bounce from here, the first target is going to be here, the 1618, and the second the 2618. Why the 1618 is the first one? Simply because the 618 and the 120 extension bring us with a wave 5 that start before the wave 3 top. This is called a wave 5 truncated, and in terms of probability it's a lot less probable. So we look for something gonna go past the wave 3 top, and so to speak around the 1618 here minimum. Again, it's in case we bounce exactly from the 50%, because if we lower the extension tool, well, there you go, now it's not a 161 anymore, it's a 2618 minimum normally. And if we bounce off the 38.2, so right now we can still do, for example, a swing for power something here with a 120 extension. And the thing is the target change. So the thing is to place the third click on the wave 4 bottom we're going to do and add the wave 5 targets, and this will do the job. For now it's impossible to give the wave 5 targets because we need the bottom of the wave 4 to do this. So yeah, that's it really on this one. That was pretty fast, but well, again, when it's there's some impulsive, it's not that complex, to be honest with you. Where is this? Oh, by the way, I have done this here. Why I have done? Oh, wait. 2 seconds. Gonna go in there. There you go, because I don't want this here. Nice. Okay, so this is Navy. Is there 5 ways to end a bigger 3? Yes, there is. So the thing is, when you have this kind of triangle, the last wave of the triangle, you count them as a wave 1, 2. So for example, here you have a wave 1, 2, so 3, 4, 5, and then you have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the secret really of this, if we can say that. I have a very good example. It was on Tamadoj, I think. Or Shib. No, it was Shib. Yeah, it was Shib. Do I have this here? It was in the previous bull run, and it was this. Normally it was this. Can't remember. Was it this? Or it was a simple triangle like A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. I don't really like the shape anymore, to be honest with you, but well, anyways. And so you took, I mean, you take this wave, for example, here as a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. So wave 1, wave 2, and then bam, 3, 4, 5, or the wave 1, 2. I can't remember exactly, but you count this as a wave 1, 2. So yeah, that's it really for that one. Where is the chat here? Any update on Gera Network? Where is this? No, it should be in there. No, nothing. Now the cool thing is that we did took the lows. So now we need, if we have to bounce from here, Okay, if we really have to rise, we need, you know, the small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we get these 5 waves, well, next it can be, of course, an ABC zigzag, but due to the higher time frame waves, it's possible there's going to be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally a rise. So if we don't get these 5 waves, it's not going to bounce. Okay, if we keep getting some triple wave like this, triple wave, or maybe more like that, by the way, triple wave, it's not going to bounce. We need some 5 wave like this. Okay, 1, 2, either a leading like this or an impulsive, as I draw here. We just need this really, okay, to bounce. If we get this, that's a good start. And on that retrace, well, you buy the retrace really. You buy that retrace. Can be very small sometimes, so be careful. The retrace, and well, after this will come a new high, A, B, C, drop, or it depends on Bitcoin again, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there we go, and it will rise bigger in that case to this top minimum really. So yeah, nothing crazy, but the cool thing is that we did took the lows, so now we can remove this target, by the way, and let me just see really quick. Yeah, this can be removed. Yeah, nice. So nothing crazy to update on this one, to be honest with you. Just gonna gonna check Ethereum. Right, it's the same than Bitcoin. There's a small extension here. Well, the same. The start here is not really looking. I mean, that's more like the correction there. So, it's like Bitcoin no longer wave 4 can end up with a truncated wave further away, so to speak, stop before the bottom there to show the strength. I mean, the weakness really of going lower and the strength of a reversal. So a continuation higher. But the thing is, we need Bitcoin to be ready for this. So the wave, well, bigger triple wave really into the wave 4. And again, for now, either it's a wave 4 like Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts to retrace a lot more, we take a wave 2. So we will take a wave 2 here. And if we start to retrace a lot more, well, bearish wave count, and we are bearish really. Simple as that. But yeah, until this happens, still the same for Bitcoin. So yeah, that's it really for me for today. Nothing more really to add on the arts. We didn't move it so much, to be honest with you. So nothing crazy. So yeah, good morning to you, mate, and we'll catch you all tomorrow for the next one. Hopefully with some bigger move. I said no news today. No news. So yeah, take care of you, and don't forget, if you want to play a free contest where you can win some money, worth in Bitcoin, just go and check on the website, the MOONCHARTS of the website. A brand new LOF course, 4 lessons. Make sure to learn these 4 lessons because this contest is on the 4 lessons. It's a quiz on these 4 lessons. So make sure to learn the lessons and go take your chance on the 1 day and 13 hours left. So don't forget to do it until tomorrow at night. Otherwise, well, you won't be into the ranking really. Anyways, I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care of you and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.